My name is Stacy Morgenstern Eagle. I am a New York City-based designer, and I am the creative director and founder of Boy Meets Girl. I create a lifestyle collection. It includes knits, wovens, outerwear, accessories, tops, bottoms, sweaters, and an organic t-shirt line. It has an iconic logo, which is Boy Meets Girl, that is identifiable. I got started at a very young age. I triple majored in retail design and business, and then studied also in London with the famous Zandra Rhodes. I then came to New York City, where I worked for Elie Tahari and Izod. In 2001, I started Dish, which is now Boy Meets Girl. Designing for me is a creative expression. When I design, I'm influenced by Patti Smith or Coco Chanel or the person walking down the street or someone on the subway, and I love seeing the line on others and having them have the freedom to mix and match what I've created. Then the cycle continues. I become inspired by them and I continue to create. I think what makes my clothing line distinctive is really suggested in the name Boy Meets Girl. There are boyish elements to the line within the detail. There's mesh lining or sporty motifs that are inspired from menswear. And the girl, she's flirty and sexy, has a tomboyish flair, but also it can be really demure and eclectic. Bringing those elements together, the line is a sexy, affordable line. It's been really exciting to see the celebrities wearing my line, from Hilary Duff to Eva Mendes to Ali Larter, and even working with stylists that dress Boy Meets Girl on TV shows like The Gossip Girl or The Gilmore Girls. And recently we just had a call come in from Mariah Carey who ordered a Boy Meets Girl hoodie, so it's great. The people who buy my line are really a diverse group of people. They're edgy, they're eclectic, they're innovative, they're artsy, they have a love of life, and this really is what makes up the aesthetic of my line, Boy Meets Girl.